discovering that half the jobs in your city no longer exist, not because of a recession, not because of a financial crisis, but because a machine can do them faster, cheaper, and better. Now, before you panic, here's the surprising truth. Throughout history, every major technological revolution created fear. The steam engine, electricity, the internet, and now artificial intelligence. But while millions of people focus on what AI might take away, a much smaller group is focusing on what AI can help them build. And that's exactly what separates the people who struggle from the people who thrive. Because the future isn't about competing against AI, it's about learning how to work with it. Today, we're going to explore how AI is transforming money, jobs, investing, businesses, and wealth itself. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the next generation of millionaires may be created by AI. Let's get started. Think about this. Just a few years ago, AI could barely write a decent sentence. Today, it can write articles, create videos, design websites, analyze financial reports, write code, generate images, and even assist doctors. And it's improving every month. Many experts believe we're witnessing one of the biggest technological shifts in human history. The reason is simple. AI doesn't just replace physical labor, it can replace certain types of mental labor too. That changes everything. For hundreds of years, knowledge workers were considered safe. Lawyers, accountants, analysts, writers, consultants. But now AI can assist with tasks in all of those fields. That doesn't necessarily mean those jobs disappear, but it does mean fewer people may be needed to perform the same amount of work. And that creates both a challenge and an opportunity. Let's talk about the scary part first. Many repetitive jobs are becoming increasingly automated. Data entry, basic customer service, simple bookkeeping, administrative tasks, scheduling, basic research, and even some forms of content creation. Companies are always looking for ways to reduce costs. If AI can do the work of 5 employees for a fraction of the cost, businesses will eventually make that transition. We've already seen this happen throughout history. Factories automated production. ATMs reduced the need for bank tellers. Online shopping changed retail forever. AI is simply the next chapter. But here's what most headlines don't tell you. Technology doesn't just eliminate jobs, it creates entirely new industries. And that's where the opportunity lies. Every technological revolution creates winners. When the internet emerged, people laughed at online businesses. Then companies like Amazon became giants. When smartphones appeared, few people realized how valuable mobile apps would become. Today, AI is creating a similar opportunity. Entrepreneurs are using AI to build businesses faster than ever. One person can now perform work that previously required an entire team. Imagine launching a business with an AI writer, an AI graphic designer, an AI video editor, an AI customer support assistant, and an AI marketing consultant. What once required tens of thousands of dollars can now be started with a laptop and internet connection. That's a massive shift. The barriers to entry are collapsing, and people who understand this early could benefit enormously. Now let's talk about money itself. The financial world is changing rapidly. AI is already being used by banks, hedge funds, and investment firms. Algorithms analyze market data in seconds. Fraud detection systems monitor millions of transactions. Investment platforms can provide automated portfolio recommendations. The future of money may become increasingly digital and intelligent. Imagine personalized financial advisors powered by AI. Imagine software that automatically optimizes spending habits. Imagine systems that identify investment opportunities in real time. These technologies are already beginning to emerge, and they may become standard within the next decade. The people who understand these tools will likely have an advantage over those who ignore them. So who becomes wealthy in an AI-driven economy? Not necessarily the smartest people, not necessarily the hardest workers. The winners will likely be those who adapt the fastest. History consistently rewards adaptation. The internet created online entrepreneurs, social media created influencers, e-commerce created digital brands. AI may create a new class of entrepreneurs altogether. People who learn to combine human creativity with machine intelligence. Think about it. AI can generate ideas, but humans decide which ideas matter. AI can write content, but humans understand emotions. AI can analyze data, but humans create vision. The most valuable people may become those who can bridge both worlds. If AI is becoming more powerful, what skills should people focus on? First, communication. People who can clearly communicate ideas will remain valuable. Second, creativity. AI can generate options, but original thinking remains rare. Third, leadership. Businesses still need people who can inspire others. Fourth, problem solving. The ability to identify problems worth solving may become more important than ever. Fifth, adaptability. This may be the most important skill of all. The future belongs to people who can learn quickly because change is accelerating, and those who refuse to adapt may find themselves left behind. Here's a simple framework. Instead of asking, "Will AI take my job?" ask, "How can AI make me more valuable?" That one question changes everything. Use AI to learn faster. Use AI to start businesses. Use AI to automate repetitive tasks. Use AI to improve productivity. Use AI to free up time for higher value activities. People who leverage AI may accomplish in 1 year what previously took 5. And in finance, time is one of the most valuable assets you have. Now let's discuss something important. AI is not magic. It's a tool, and tools can be used wisely or poorly. Some people will waste countless hours generating content nobody watches. Others will build businesses that solve real problems. Some will chase shortcuts. Others will create genuine value. The difference won't be AI. The difference will be execution. The future still rewards discipline. The future still rewards consistency. The future still rewards intelligent decision-making. AI simply amplifies those qualities. Let's talk about the industries where AI is already making the biggest impact right now. Healthcare, AI systems are helping doctors detect cancer earlier than ever before. They're reading medical scans with accuracy that rivals experienced specialists. They're predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. This doesn't mean doctors disappear. It means doctors who use AI will outperform those who don't. Legal services, AI can now review thousands of legal documents in minutes. Tasks that once required junior lawyers working around the clock can be completed almost instantly. Finance, algorithmic trading already handles a significant portion of market activity. AI models analyze earnings reports, news sentiment, and economic indicators simultaneously. Education, personalized AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning pace and style. The one-size-fits-all classroom model may be fundamentally disrupted. Real estate, AI tools can now analyze neighborhood trends, predict property values, and identify investment opportunities faster than any human analyst. The pattern is clear. Every major industry is being touched. And in every case, the people who embrace AI as a partner will have a significant edge over those who resist it. Now let's talk about how to actually invest in the AI revolution, because you don't have to build an AI company to benefit from AI's growth. Option 1. AI-focused ETFs. Exchange-traded funds that track AI and technology companies allow you to invest in a basket of AI-related businesses without picking individual winners. This spreads risk while giving you exposure to the sector's growth. Option 2. The infrastructure layer. Every AI system needs computing power. The companies building the chips, the data centers, and the cloud infrastructure that AI runs on have become some of the most valuable businesses in the world. Investing in infrastructure is like investing in the picks and shovels during a gold rush. You profit regardless of which AI companies ultimately win. Option 3. AI-powered businesses. Many traditional companies are integrating AI to dramatically improve their efficiency and profitability. Look for businesses that are actively deploying AI to reduce costs and increase revenue. Option 4. Invest in yourself. Learning AI tools and skills is an investment that can increase your income for decades. Sometimes the best return on investment isn't in the stock market, it's in the mirror. The key insight is this: you don't have to understand every technical detail of how AI works. You just need to understand where the value is being created. Here's something most people don't talk about: the psychology of adaptation. Most people intellectually understand that change is coming, but emotionally, they resist it. Why? Because our brains are wired to prefer the familiar. Change feels like loss, even when the change is ultimately beneficial. This is why so many people knew the internet was important in the 1990s, but still didn't act on it. They understood it intellectually, but they didn't adapt emotionally. The same pattern is playing out with AI today. Most people know it's significant. Far fewer are actually doing something about it. So how do you overcome this resistance? Start small. Don't try to master every AI tool at once. Pick one, learn it deeply, apply it to something you already do, build momentum, then expand. The goal isn't to become an AI expert overnight. The goal is to become slightly more AI capable than you were yesterday. Compound that over months and years, and the results can be extraordinary. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The only difference is they started. Let's close with a concrete action plan, because information without action is just entertainment. In the next 30 days, pick one AI tool and use it every single day. Whether that's an AI writing assistant, an image generator, a research tool, or a productivity app. Just one. Use daily for 30 days. By the end of that month, you'll have a skill that most people around you don't have. In the next 60 days, identify one repetitive task in your work or business that AI could handle. Automate it. That time you save, redirect it towards something higher value. Higher value activities are where real wealth is built. In the next 90 days, explore one income opportunity that AI makes possible. Maybe it's starting a content channel, maybe it's launching a digital product, maybe it's offering a service that uses AI to deliver better results faster. The specific opportunity matters less than the act of exploring, because action creates clarity, and clarity leads to results. 90 days from now, you can either be in the same place you are today, or you can be someone who has genuinely begun building toward a different future. The choice, as always, is yours. We're living through a moment that future generations may study in history books. The rise of artificial intelligence could become one of the most important economic events of our lifetime. The question isn't whether AI will change the world, it's already happening. The real question is, will you watch the future happen, or will you prepare for it? You now understand how AI is reshaping jobs, industries, and wealth. You know which skills will matter most. You know how to invest in the AI revolution. You know how to overcome the psychological resistance to change. And you have a 30, 60, 90-day action plan to get started. The tools are available. The knowledge is here. What happens next is entirely up to you. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button and subscribe to Wealthy Build for more content on finance, AI, wealth building, and the future of work. And I want to hear from you in the comments. What is the first AI tool you're going to start using this week? Thanks for watching. And remember, the people who build the future are usually the ones who see it coming first. See you in the next video.